Hey guys, how's it going? How to check Snapchat on another call. To check Snapchat while on another call, you can use the following methods. Use a split screen if you are using Android. If your device supports a split screen mode, open Snapchat and then open your phone app to make a call and use your app switcher to arrange them side by side. And you can use picture in picture. On iPhones running iOS 14 or later, you can make a FaceTime call and use picture in picture feature to keep the video call open while accessing Snapchat. This may not work with regular phone calls. If you receive a call while using WhatsApp, you can answer it by tapping the accept button. After the call, you can return then to Snapchat. And you can use another device like tablet or computer to access Snapchat while staying on the call. If you are on a standard phone call, you can simply put the call on hold if your carrier supports it and switch to Snapchat. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.